Sometimes as creators, we tend to try any and every way to push big tasks and projects off to the side. It could be feeling overwhelmed, feeling nervous or scared, or just not knowing where to begin. Feeling unmotivated, I know for me, my anxiety and depression were definitely a big factor. And they definitely didn't make it any easier whenever I felt like it was time to be creative and time to create. Sometimes when we get in this headspace, we tend to put band-aids on our issues and avoid our work by playing PlayStation or Xbox, taking naps, and saying we'll record that video or make that YouTube video later today, even though you know you're not really ever going to get around to it. Personally, for me, procrastination is one of the biggest reasons I'm not farther in my creative journey than I'd like to be. Since back in late July, I've been sort of on a quest of self-betterment, waking up early, eating better, meditating, and trying my best to remain positive whenever my tendencies to think negatively would take hold. I'm not saying I've been perfect during this whole journey. I've definitely faltered and fell. There's been ups and downs, times where I haven't been creative at all, and times where I've managed to stay the course and really grind. We all have a bunch of distractions in our lives that make it really hard to stay consistent on whatever it is that we're working on. For me, taking my life as a whole and trying to improve myself as a man in addition to myself as a creator is where I've begun to see the most improvement. It's time we also invest time and money into just bettering our overall health, mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, and financially as well. The more we begin to do this, and the more we begin to realize that self-betterment and taking care of ourselves will positively impact every ounce of our lives, is when that procrastination, it'll fade away.